Hello everyone, welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what I believe is the best tripod and iPhone stand with a remote and light on the market right now. The Funxee Selfie Stick Phone Tripod. This versatile gadget has been making waves among creators and influencers alike. And I'm excited to break down its features and performance. Let's start with the basics. The Funxee Selfie Stick Phone Tripod isn't just a selfie stick. It's a 3-in-1 powerhouse. It functions as a selfie stick, tabletop tripod, and a sturdy phone stand. Made from premium aluminum alloy, it's designed for stability and durability, capable of holding up to 3 pounds of weight. One of the standout features here is the inclusion of 2 detachable LED fill lights. These aren't your average lights. They offer adjustable white, soft, and warm light modes. Perfect for enhancing your videos or photos, especially in low light conditions. Managing your shots is made easy with the detachable wireless remote that pairs seamlessly via Bluetooth. What's more convenient is its Type-C charging port, ensuring you stay powered up without carrying multiple cables. Whether you're using an iPhone, Android device, GoPro, or even a camera, the Funxee tripod covers all bases with its versatile 1x4 interface. It's designed to cater to the diverse needs of photography enthusiasts and content creators. The tripod's stability is further enhanced by its 4-legged design and robust construction. It stands tall at 71 inches when fully extended, allowing for dynamic shots and broader perspectives. Impressions from users have been overwhelmingly positive, praising its ease of use, sturdy build, and the quality of the LED lights. It's ideal for anyone looking to step up their content creation game without compromising on stability or versatility. In conclusion, the Funxee Selfie Stick Phone Tripod lives up to its reputation as the best tripod iPhone stand with a remote and light currently available. Whether you're a vlogger, photographer, or just someone who loves capturing moments on the go, this tool deserves a spot in your gear collection. Thank you for watching. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more product reviews and recommendations here on Product Critique. Until next time, happy filming!